Forever shine upon us.
How can I tell her about you? Hello mga gar, mayong adlaw no, mayong gabi sa tong tanan. It's me John Pets and welcome sa ating channel. For today's video mga gar, gameplay another one. Ayun. Nandito tayo ngayon, naglirarank. Kasalukuyan tayo nag-OOT. Katapat natin dito ay si Asia ba yun? Asia. Mamaya tigsayin natin to. Ano bang gamit ni Asia? Bang. Alright.
Alam mo na radyo mo. Okay. Magkaradyo kami ng
Magtitesting kayo eh. Alright. Toast girl. Alright. Asia. How can I tell her about you? Patay oh. Girl, please tell me what to do. Nako. Patay. Wow, ang nilalang. Saan kayo si ano, Bilirek? Ay, doon sa tatas. Nasa taas lahat. Alright. Paksi Belbel Bagar. Roger oh. Patay Roger. Ano bang aaway? Waman to tabangin ni Alpha. Pasagdan na naman ni Alpha. Paksi Belbelgar. Ha? Onsen?
Oo. Papatubig ako eh.
Pipindutin lang yun may switch doon. Natatluhan na si Isha Gar. Banga kayo. Patay naman Gar. Paksi Belbel Gar. Paksi Bilbilgar. Uy, shoot down. Shoot down tayo, Gar, ah. Paksi Bilbilgar. Dito na tayo sa legend natin. Push, push. Hala, Gar. Paksi Bilbilgar. Ay, patay tayo dyan. Hindi pa namatay ka. Ay, sayang ang baga-aoy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got it.
Dudes. Ah! Ah! Buksan ko na?
Oo, tapos sabi niya naman yung tanangke, di ba?
Oo. Nakabukas na ba yung gitbal ng burhol?
Hindi pa.
Pabukas nga. Pindutin ko dito. Buksan lang yung gitbal ng burhol.
Pangalawan?
Oo, yung bukas na normal. Yung bukas. Ay, patay tayo. Gitbal, di mo alam buksan? Ah? Oo. Bukas na? O sige, buksan mo.
Sniper. The moon may be dull, but our heart outlives everything.
Ah! Okay. Ay, patay. Lag. Naglalag, Lodi. Putik na yan, Nobel. Di ka umuwi. Putang ina. Yan, tanga. Kawawa. Bangaoy. Patay kayo dyan ngayon.
Away of the alley.
Ah!
Patay.
The moonlight spares no mercy. Oh, valley. I get to the great forest. Full of my friends. Who knows all? But our hope outlives death. My arrow is my arrow. Fade into the moonlight.
Sayang. Why?
My fight
Mhm. Nako. Nice, 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 nice. Nako. Ubos, pati pang tubos. Ba't naglalag? Ganito ba talaga pag ano, naglalag? Dili ako, Lods. Naglalag. No? Nasipa. Patay si Gaga. Aligaga, patay. Na, isa-isahin kayo dyan.
Eyes of mine cry. Don't they know it's the end of the world?
no matter how much
Goodbye.
Ah, boy.
It's the end of the world. It ended when you
no matter how much more suffering will go.
goodbye.
Wala na.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. And run to my arm. Fade into the moonlight.
Nako, patay kayo dyan lahat. Nako. Hala, takbo doy. Grabe yung walo ah. Natay din oh. Mamaya ka lang. Naglalag ako, Lods. Ah. Ha? Ano, okay na? Oh.
Mahina lang. Mahina pa rin lang.
Pero manakasaya ka sa Borol. Oh? Grabe lag. Naglalag ako, Lodi. Bugua po nanin ko na eh. Alpha eh.
Push first.
Bagal ng Alpha, Lodi.
Unstable network.
Alpha.
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Ano yung boy? Huwag dyan boy na. O dyan. Naano ako eh. Yung lagi ako nasasagi dyan boy, natitisod.
It's everything.
Oh. Ha?
The moonlight spares no mercy to the foes of Azrael. Launch attack! Shut down! May the moon forever shine upon us.
Nalo pa. Hirap. Hirap ang pakunwaring magaling.
Victory!
Hirap Lodi ah. Hirap Lodi ah.